Welcome to my channel, Technology in the Future. So the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, Google is making an Android industry first. We recently learned that Google was boosting its software support efforts. They were providing a good 5 years of OS and security upgrades for the Pixel 8 range. That is actually quite spectacular on its own. Hold on to your seats though, because we have some even more thrilling news to share. A game-changing official spec list has just been released. With a full 7 years of software support for the Pixel 8 series, Google is going all in. You did read that correctly. These phones are here to stay and will continue to receive updates until the year 2030. The 5 years of OS upgrades plus the 7 years of security updates make up the 7 years of software support, most certainly. That's still fairly astounding though. It's like receiving a phone that never stops working. Next, let's play a display game. We'd heard rumors that the Pixel 8 lineup's displays would get some enhancements, and guess what? Even more exciting than we anticipated they are. The Pixel 8 Pro steals the spotlight in this comparison thanks to its display, which can reach an astounding 2400 nits of brightness. However, there's still more. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, even the basic Pixel 8 is improving. So even under the most extreme outdoor settings, you won't have any trouble seeing anything on these screens, regardless of how intense the sun is. But hold on, the thrills don't end there. A genuine LTPO display with a refresh rate that ranges from a leisurely 1 Hz to a quick 120 Hz is included in the Pixel 8 Pro. As a result, you'll not only have a smoother experience, but also a phone with greater battery life, as it won't need as much power to refresh the screen quickly while you're just looking at static photos. Balance is key, and Google got it right. Let's now discuss billing rates. There has also been an improvement in that area. The charging rate for the Pixel 8 Pro has increased from 23 watts to 30 watts. Your phone won't be bound to the charger for very long, which is always a nice thing. The normal Pixel 8 continues to need 27 watts, and the wireless charging speed remains stable. However, the bad news is that storage speed. Instead of switching to UFS 4.0, as the report stated, Google is staying with UFS 3.1. The good news is that Google isn't raising the price of the Pixel 8 Pro, despite all these changes, at least not in the good old USA. To be fair, Google has helped to clear up any confusion.